Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on haul. I have some items from Misguided and Prettylittlething. It was really random how I picked the items I picked. I think I was probably really cold when I picked some of these items because most of them are like sweatpants and joggers and sweaters and things like that. So we're just gonna get started. Some of them are kind of mixed up, so it's like Prettylittlething and Misguided mixed together. But I'm just going to list all the items that I mentioned in this video in order in the description box. So if you're interested in any of those items or any of the items I'm going to show you, you can just check in the description box. So the first thing that I have is from Prettylittlething and their joggers. I love these. I've been on like a camo kick right now, and I have a bunch of camo in my wardrobe right now, but I absolutely love these sweatpants. They have a red stripe down the side, well, two stripes down the side, and I just think these are so cute. I ended up getting these in a 0 because sweatpants normally fit pretty baggy, and I wasn't sure on how these would fit, but I definitely could have sized down to a 2 because these are pretty snug. I don't mind the snugness around the waist, but in the bottom area they are pretty snug and they don't stretch much. But these are just so cute. They cuff at the bottom, and I just love these. So I got these. The next pair of joggers are from Prettylittlething as well, and these are like a camel color, and then they have a white stripe and a nude stripe down the side. I love these as well. These are 0 and they have much more stretch to them, and they're not as snug as the camel ones. I'm thinking it's because the print, because these are a little more stiff feeling than these, but I love these. They're super duper high-waisted. They come way up here. They're really high. They're really cute. They're so my style. I love the color, and these cuff at the bottom as well. They just look so good. So love these. Oh, also these had a matching like cut-off hoodie that goes with it, but I almost bought it, but I just didn't want to be too matchy-matchy. So I think I might pair this with a nude top or a white cropped hoodie. I'm not sure yet, but love these. Next pair of joggers I got are from Misguided, and they're just gray, and they say superficial on the side, which I am not. But I thought these were really, really cute, so I got these. And yeah, these fit pretty baggy. They're not tight at all, and I got these in a 00. So yeah, these also came with a matching hoodie, which I opted out for. This haul is a comfy vibe. So moving right along, I'm just going to pull these all out together because this goes together. So this was the Yeezy season inspired concoction of an outfit from Misguided, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. So the set comes with, well, it's not a set, you kind of like have to buy everything separate, but it's this cropped acid washed sweatshirt, and I just love it. It's slit down the middle, long sleeve, super duper cute. I got the matching cycle shorts to go with it. Oh, I think I got this top in a size 2 because I didn't want it to be too tight. I wanted it to be slouchy. So I got the top in a 2, and then I have the cycle shorts in a 00. These fit really, really nice. And yeah, that's what these look like. And then I went back on the website and I got this shirt when it came back in stock, because when it's warm outside, I might want to wear those shorts, but not the hoodie. So I got the t-shirt. It's just an oversized t-shirt. I got this in a size 2 because I wanted it to be a little more baggy, so I didn't get the 0. But guys, I love this outfit. It's so cute, so affordable, not Yeezy prices. It's real affordable. So yeah, I got that. And then next I have another set. This actually came together from Prettylittlething. It's a Waffle Knit Set. So it came with this like off the shoulder sweat top, which isn't my favorite, but it'll do. I mainly just got the sweat sets for the bottoms because I just wanted the bottoms. So here are the pants. Absolutely love the stitching on this. It's like a waffle knit. These are a little see-through in the light, but honestly when it's on you're not going to see anything. So yeah, I just love these. They do cuff at the bottom, and I just love the ribbed everything about these sweatpants. So I got these. The set only comes small, medium, large, so I did get a small. The small fits. It fits. It's not snug or anything, but it fits really nicely. It doesn't make you look boxy or anything. It does flatter your shape, but it's just not form-fitting, if that makes any sense. So here's the next one. It's a nude set. So another off-the-shoulder sweat top. And then the bottoms are my fave. They're like this stone nude wash. Yeah, like a nude color. So they just look like this. Cuff on the bottom. I just love the way this bottom cuff looks. It looks like a shirt, like a sweater sleeve, and I just love it. These are really nice and comfy. So I can't wait to wear those. And then I have a black one, but this one has a hoodie instead, which I love because I can wear the whole set together. So it just has a black hoodie. Really, really nice material. I did get this one in a small as well. Then the sweatpants. I'm just messing up all the hangers. So the black is actually really, really, really black. So I was very happy about that. It didn't look faded or washed out. It's really black. So I love that. They all have pockets, and then they cuff at the bottom. I just love the ankle cuff because it's really nice and snug. Like, this material is really soft, and all these sets are from Prettylittlething. So yeah, and I got them all in a size small. So the next set that I have is from Prettylittlething as well, and it's really cute. It's like this red printed flowy blouse. Let's get this together. So it's this flowy blouse, and then it comes with shorts. So the top is supposed to be oversized, so I got it in a 00, but I really could have just got like a 0 or 2, so it can be really oversized, but it fits nonetheless. Really nice and vibrant. Like, I can't wait to wear it in the spring when it starts to warm up. And then I have the matching shorts to go with the top, and they're just super cute flowy high-waisted shorts. I got the shorts in a 00 as well, so they can fit nice and snug around the waist. And these are like really super flowy, and the bottom is wide, so I would definitely pair these with the little really small cycle shorts, so that, you know, you're not exposing people, because your butt cheek and your whole vag area will be out in these shorts, especially if the wind blows the wrong way. Girl, don't get caught. So yeah, I got these. So next I just have a bunch of tops. So the first one is from Prettylittlething. It's like this bright yellow, and it just says overdressed. I mean, we know we're not overdressed wearing this, but I just think it's so cute. I love yellow. It's my favorite color, so I had to get this. This shirt with some black tights or cycle shorts will be just so cute. And yeah, I got this in a size small. The next top I got is white, and it just says iconic. I just love this. It's just basic, kind of gives you Gucci vibes with the whole line and design, but I absolutely love it. You know, it's cute. Tuck it into some jeans, some shorts. Gotta have it. So I got this in a small as well. Next I have a long sleeve white bodysuit. It's a thong bodysuit. I hate the bodysuits that don't button, first of all, and that are like bikini style, I guess, like brief style. I don't like those. So yeah, I love this. I got this in a 4. Definitely could have sized up, but I like it. The material is, I don't know what this material is. It's not a jersey material. It's a little silkier than that, but it's really cute. It's really white. It has buttons. I love buttons, so I had to get it. So I got this. Next, I have this yellow bodysuit from Misguided. When I saw this on the model, I was like, ooh, I gotta have it. It's like, can it be spring, summer already? I'm ready to wear this. This is a thong bodysuit as well. It snaps, does all the hoopla. And yeah, I love this. I got this in a size 2 because they were out of 0. And I'm really glad I didn't get a 0 because it'll be a tight fit. So if you're getting these bodysuits, I would definitely size up. Only because once you snap it, it's not going to be a comfortable situation. So this is perfect. I love the color. It's like a pastel yellow. Love yellow. So yeah, I got that. And then the next bodysuit I have is from Misguided as well. And it's like this nude color. It's very structured and it's very tight and it doesn't stretch. So going over the boob area, I'm already flat chested, but it was like making them even more flat. So yeah, I would size up on this as well. I got a 0. I'll probably get a 2 next time. But yeah, this is like a thong as well. It's not thongy thong, but it's a thong as well. It snaps and all that. And I'm thinking about pairing this with these sweatpants, you know, like a nude camel, some nude shoes, kind of that vibe. So we'll see how I style this up. But yeah, that's all things that I got. I got some shoes as well, but oh, I got sunglasses. Where are they at? So I also got a pair of sunglasses from Prettylittlething. Oh, and I also got a necklace. Funny story. I ordered a necklace in my first order from Prettylittlething. There was a hole, like a perfect size hole in my package, right? Open my package when I get home. No necklace. So I ended up messaging Prettylittlething and said something was missing on my package, which I'm pretty sure someone stole, because where's my necklace? It's checked off on a little sheet that it was in there, but it wasn't in there. So I ended up reordering it and it came to my house this time, so no necklace was missing. But I ordered these sunglasses. I saw them on Carly Bybel and I just love these. I just think they're so cute. It's gonna be a vibe when I go to New York. I'm gonna wear these because, I mean, why not? They're just so cute. So yeah, I also got some sunglasses like this from Zara. Not sure how I feel about it. Not sure how I feel about it, but here they are. These were $25.90 and I think those were like 18 or something. I ended up using a 40% off coupon code on Prettylittlething, but these are from Zara. I'm not sure how I feel about them. They're just really square, but yeah, let me know how you guys feel about these sunglasses. They need to be cleaned, but let me know how you feel about them. Like, too trendy? What do you think? So yeah, that completes this haul. Let me know how you guys like it. Let me know how you guys like this new kind of setup I have going on. I was just really tired of filming in that same area. I had to switch it up. So yeah, that is it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.